Hi guys, in this video I'm using the slats that I originally planned for the entry hallway in the master bedroom entryway instead, and it worked out so much better. This is the before picture, and this is the finished project. This project was extremely easy, and the planning and the painting the wood strips took the most time. But I knew I wanted to do something to the master bed entryway, and it's the biggest room in the house, so it needs a little focal point when you walk up the stairs. Because I have this whole black Pinterest inspiration wall going on, so I decided to do the slats here, and it worked out perfect because I have 9 feet ceiling and these strips comes in 8 feet, so I didn't have to cut the vertical strips at all. We'll come back and talk about this Pinterest wall in a minute. Anyways, I got the wood strips from Lowe's. They're 1 inch thick by 2 inch wide and 8 feet long. They're about $1.50 each. If you buy them in a bundle, you need to make sure they're all straight because sometimes they're not cut straight. I first laid them all out to paint them because imagine painting them one by one after they're on the wall would not be fun. I would pull out all my hair. Haha, get it? Anyways, I chose this color because it's our accent color for the house. My interior accent colors are black, gray, and this tan color. Get it? Tan. I actually didn't do a good job painting all the sides, but I started out framing the outer edges of the wall first by using a nail gun to nail the wood strips onto the wall. Then I went back to calculate how much space I want to leave in between each strip. Once I have my calculation, I created a square wood block as a spacer to help me space out the rest of the strips. I started with the horizontal pieces up top first, then I worked on the sides afterwards. As you can see, I totally didn't do a good job painting the slats, therefore later on I had to go back to touch up all of them, but I think I did it intentionally because I knew I would have to go back to patch up the nail holes and repaint them anyways. But that's pretty much it. Like I said, this project was very simple and easy. Really the only cutting I needed to do were the top strips. But let's go back and talk about this Pinterest wall real quick. These are photos from my actual Pinterest board. Every time I scroll through this board on my computer, I get inspired. So I thought it would be amazing if I get to walk by this every day. Everything on this wall inspired me to create. I have Basquiat on the wall, I have Warhol, Damien Hirst. Every single square on this wall has some kind of meaning to me in some sort of way, and there's so much to look at that I will never get bored of this wall. Anyways, I was very satisfied of how the slats turn out, that I did it to the entryway of our master bathroom. I could have totally sanded down the wood strips to make them all smooth, but I kind of like the imperfection in the wood, so I decided to just paint over them and leave the rough texture. I love how the slats look in our room because we don't have a lot of tan accent colors in there, so putting this wall in definitely ties in everything. I'm so glad I didn't do the slats in the entry hallway downstairs and did this instead. Sometimes you get ideas that come into your mind that you're just not 100% about it. It's okay to take a step back and sleep on it, then decide later on. Sometimes it doesn't work in one place, but it will work in another. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and until the next video.